Thanks to people who have come from Bangalore, Cochin, Chennai and all over the places. And in fact, we have a person from US too, and of course even Middle East, Dubai. So it's a great occasion for us to enjoy. But just to go back to history, when we started, we wanted to have a text company, started based in Tier 2 city, and that's how, of course we happen to be from Mangalore and we chose Mangalore to be the starting point. And our focus on technology has been consistently improving on newer technologies, newer areas, and just with the focus of giving better work environment for our employees. I think that worked. I think now when you look back, whatever we did, I think worked for all of us. And from the small team of 20 people, I'm happy to share that today we are a 800 plus large organization with development centers in 4 locations, Mangalore, Chennai and Cochin, and soon we are going to expand to other locations too. Also with our global offices in different countries like US, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Singapore and of course India. And we started hiring people all across. We have employees in US, Canada, of course Middle East and Singapore. And of course, recently we started our center in UK too, and we are going to have one marketing office in Netherlands also. So our idea is very simple. With the humble start, we wanted to work for the global clients with the best of the talent available in India across, from Tier 1 to Tier 2 to whatever cities that we have. Also, from employees' point of view, I do understand that it's critical that we all want to work on cutting-edge technology. So thanks to my 3 co-founders who have been consistently looking at a newer area to identify the best which is fitting for the client requirement as well as to keep our employees happy. I think that worked well. Also, besides that, our mantra has been that we wanted to give a work environment where it's a very friendly, we don't have that boss, supervisor or a junior kind of a culture. Of course, when you come to work, it has to be a serious work because we are working for the global clients. I think we are fairly successful in that too. And I'm happy to say that all of you are with us. And then, as the day progresses, you will see, the number of people who have been with us for a longer time. And we are really proud of all of you. So let me not give it too much of a speech, but further to talk about very briefly about the future. Like the past, I think future also looks very, very bright for us. Again, thanks to my co-founders as well as all of you who have been contributing significantly. I want to thank especially the families who are gathered here because your support was primarily required for Novigo family members to give the best or more than 100% to our clients and to Novigo. And when we talk about the newer technology, unless there is a support from employees, it's not possible. So you guys have been with us all through. Whenever we get onto new technology area, new geography area or new domain, you have been with us. So looking at the future, it looks further bright. We see huge opportunities coming from all the geographies that we are working on, be it US or North America in general, Middle East, as well as Europe, which we just started last year. Both in UK, we already have projects from 3-4 countries. So we see further more opportunities. In fact, we hired a very senior person in UK to assist us to get more business from the market. So we see a bright future. I know there are few questions or few concerns regarding recession in US, and maybe some of you may have questions, but at least based on what we see from our clients and what we hear from our partners, we don't see any immediate impact to our business. Rather, we see a very good growth. And also, just to put it on records, Novigo in the last 10 years has grown consistently 30% plus on an average, and that's a significant growth. Again, thanks to all of you for making it happen, and I'm sure with your support, we can grow from 800 to 8,000 plus, and then make more than 30% growth year on year. Thank you once again. Congratulations to all of you for this grand vacation of 10th celebration for us.